Good morning, Friday. Yes, yes, we did it. We made it through the week. And even though this was a short week, you guys, we worked hard this week. My body is sore. I know that we all are glad it's the weekend. Great to have you with us. Welcome, welcome. Grab some coffee. Ooh, it's hot this morning. Good morning, Barbara. Great to have you with us. So today's workout is core and cardio. It's a core and cardio Friday. Good morning, Emily. There's Christina. There's both my Christinas. Christina Alexander Jordan, Christina Lingerfeld. Yes, TGIF, absolutely. Good morning, Shanette. Great to have all of you with us. So today's core and cardio format, we've got 4 circuits. One is some sort of upper body core rotation. We've got some abs. Good morning, Tasha, Pamela, Dana's here. Good morning, everyone. Now we've also got some plank work and some cardio mixed in, okay? So hopefully we're gonna get a good sweat. Hopefully we're gonna work this section. Good morning, Erica Spencer. There's Anita. Welcome, welcome, Sonia. Great to have you. So all you'll need for today's workout is very simple. You will need a mat and 1 hand weight, just 1. That's all you'll need. And you don't even have to wear shoes today. I'm giving you that option. If you're thinking it's a no shoes Friday, just kick your flip-flops off and you can work out in stocking feet, or you can work out in tennis shoes. Either one. Good morning, Beverly, Andrea, Melita. All right, last night I forgot to set my coffee pot up in advance. So I had to do that this morning. Everything was running a little bit late. So I am just barely here. Good morning, Melita. Great to have you. All right, you guys, shall we get warmed up? Oh, I woke up this morning and I was thinking, what did we do yesterday? And then I remembered it was Kettlebell Thursday. So everything is a little bit sore. You guys sore at home? All right, let's start with some squats. Perfect. Toes forward. That's it, you guys. Awesome. I'm proud of each of you. It's very easy to sleep in on a Friday, but you guys made this a priority. You're gonna finish out your week strong, make health one of your top priorities today, and set the tone for the rest of your weekend. All right, 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Good. All right, let's do some arm circles. We're gonna be doing some planking today, so we're definitely gonna need these arms nice and warm. Go forward. So yeah, I woke up and my hamstrings were sore, my glutes were a little sore. Good morning, Tasha Sims. Reverse those circles. Whenever you reverse it, slow it down just a little bit. Protect those joints. Warm it up slowly. Good morning, Carol. Great to have you. Oh, I'm already feeling burnout. That's a good sign. All right, y'all, let's do up and over, okay? So up and over, tap, tap. Good, this helps to get your heart rate up, blood pumping, wake up body. Your core is getting a little bit of a warm up too. Up and over. Again, all you'll need for today's workout, Tasha, is 1 hand weight. Just 1, and a mat. You don't even have to wear shoes today. Last one. Good. Man, why are my arms so sore? My arms are already feeling fatigue. All right, let's do some side to side hops and really get our heart rate up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9. Get bigger. 8, 7, 6, hop. 5, 4. That's it, Christina. 3, 2, and 1. That last couple were wimpy. Breathe, you guys. All right, let's just do some air side crunches, okay? Here we go. 1, warm up that core. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, get to 10, 7, that's it, Jeanette. 8, 9, one more, and 10. Switch sides, not using any weights just yet. 1, 2, 3, good morning, Patty. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more. 8, 9, and 10. Good. This section's getting warmed up. Our heart rate's coming up. Let's talk about today's workout, okay? Grab your coffee. It is a four-part circuit, y'all. 3 rounds each section. Good morning, Joda. All right, all you will need is your hand weight. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna turn it up just a hair. If that gets too loud, y'all let me know. Good morning, Alfonso. Grab your hand weight. You're gonna stand toes forward. There's Keisha Faust. All right, y'all, you're gonna hold one weight here and do a stand and twist, okay? This is about trunk rotation and these obliques. When you turn, remember to pivot your toe, okay? Here we go, y'all. 10 each side. 1, 2, 3, that's it. 4, 5, 6, you don't have to go fast. 7, pivot. 8, that's it. 9, is Caitlin there? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, keep that weight up. 16, pivot. 17, 18, 19, one more, and 20. Good, set that weight down. Now let's go to your mat for abs. You've got scissors for 30. It's 20, 30, and 25. So lay it back. With your scissors, you're gonna come all the way up, all the way down. Here we go, ready? One leg and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stretch that hamstring. 6, 7, that's it, Joda. 8, 9, keep moving. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, go lower. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more. 10, push. 9, 8, 7, come on, Patty. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, I'm not sure why I thought 30 of those was a good idea, but that was a lot. Good morning, Juanita. Dana's here. Great to have you guys. All right, flip it over. You've got plank jacks. This is your cardio. Hold the plank position and jacks with your feet. Ready? Here we go for 25. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Inch warm it up. Woo. Breathe. All right. I can already tell my heart rate is coming up. I'm starting to sweat just a little bit already, you guys. Good stuff is happening, okay? It's working. And before we go any further, I want to thank our sponsors today. Tara Tehran, Emily Johnson, and Salome Aggie Main. Y'all are the best. So Tara, Emily, Sal, thank you for your sponsorship this month. All right, are you guys ready? Here we go, second set of your stand and twist, Juanita. Toes are gonna be forward. one weight up. Let's go 10 to that side and pause in the center, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, pivot. 3, get that big twist. 4, 5, 6, hold that weight. 7, you can do it, Barbara. 8, 9, and 10, good. All right, need a quick break. Here we go, 10 to the other direction. This is the second round. 1, 2, 3, you're looking behind you. 4, when you twist. 5, keep your chin up. 6, pivot that foot. 7, weight up. 8, woo, 9, come on Patty, and 10. Oh y'all, my arms are dead. There's Carol, there's Dee Dee. Great to have you with us, guys. All you'll need today is a mat and a weight. Go all the way back. We've got scissors for 30. You can put your hands underneath your lower back. Here we go, 30 each side. Ready? Scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, keep going, 12, 13, 14, 15, that's halfway, 15, 14, come on Sonia, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, go low, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. One thing you can change is you can change the angle of your feet. You can go from toes pointed to toes up, and it'll change the abs that you're working. So give that a try on the next round. All right, flip it around into a plank position. Start in tabletop. Go out into a plank. Ready? Plank jacks, 25. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it back. Good job, you guys. Stand it up. All right, I'm definitely sweating now. I can feel it starting to come down. Oh, I am still sore from that kettlebell day. All right, y'all, grab a drink. We've got one more round of that to go, okay, Dana? Now, my hope is that when you do the stand and twist, that you're not just swinging aimlessly through air, but you're nice and controlled and pivot. And when you pivot, you feel it all through here, okay? So really focus on that stretch and being more controlled, less momentum. Let's go alternating. So one way that way, come back, pause, one way the other way. Ready? Weight up. 1, pause. 2, that's it, Keisha. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you feeling that stretch? 8, 9. Stretch a little bit more. 10, 11. That's halfway, Dee Dee. 12, 13. Come on, Pamela. 14. Pivot. 15, 16. 4 more. 17. You can do it. 18. 19, woo, 20. Oh man, what's failing on me are my arms. It is just hard to hold that weight up. All right, go to your mat. We've got scissors. Lean it all the way back. So this round, I want you to experiment. Do a few toes pointed, a few toes up, a few toes out. Here we go, scissors for 30. Ready? Point your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toes out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 more. Push. 5, Pamela. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Roll it up. Flip it over, Alfonso. Let's go straight into plank jacks. Last round of these, and then we are moving on, y'all. Plank jacks. For those that want to get crazy, add in that plank tap. Plank tap, plank jack, okay? Only if you want to. Here we go, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Man, I'm out of breath. Breathe. All right, y'all. Stand it up. Let's take a quick break. Talk about what's coming up in the next circuit, okay? You get about 30 seconds to breathe. Just tap it back and forth. Try not to stop completely. Here's what we've got. We're gonna do a toe touch. This is one of Shanette's favorites, but we're gonna switch it up and do it from a standing position. So normally we do it laying down. We're gonna do it standing. So you're gonna get a cross crunch here. Then we're gonna use our weight, do a sit up into a press. Finally, we're gonna do a mountain climber, okay? All right, I'm sweating. How about you? It's one of her top 3. Every time she helps me design an ab day. Toe touch, jumping jacks. Here we go, y'all. We're gonna give it a try. Standing toe touch, alternating. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get that crunch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give it a crunch. 11, 12, 13. I can see the sun coming out. 14, 15, 16. It looks glorious out there. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Bring it down. Breathe. Breathe. Hold on 1 second. All right, y'all. Next up, sit up and press, okay? Ready? Here we go. Sit up and press, y'all. Ready? All the way back. 1, 1. Here we go. Let's try that again. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. That's it, Carol. 5, 5, 6, 6. Come on, Sonia. 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. 2 more. 11, 11. Last one. 12 and 12. Good job, y'all. Barbara said it's a foggy morning. A foggy start to the day. I believe it. It was so humid yesterday with all this rain we've been having. All right, y'all. The last one, we're gonna do mountain climbers for 30. Are you ready? That's 30 each side. Go into a plank position. Ready? Here we go, Shanette. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. All right. Oh, man, the sweat is pouring. Something clicked in that round. Could have been the mountain climbers. I'm not sure what. But the faucet has been turned on and sweat is pouring down. I hope you're feeling the same thing after that round. We're gonna go right back into standing toe touch. All right, you guys ready? There we go. Standing toe touch. Let's this round do 2 this side, 2 this side for a total of 20. Here we go, Shanette. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're working our abs. 7, 8, standing up. 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on, Pamela. 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 more. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. All right, next up, grab your weight, have a seat, sit up and press. Now I'm using a 10-pounder today for everything, but if you want to go heavier, feel free to grab a heavy kettlebell on this one. All the way back, tap, and 1, tap, 2, or you could use 2 weights. 3, that's it, Erica. 4, come on, Anita. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you're doing great. 10, that's it, Keisha. 11, 12, and 12. Bring it down. All right, flip it over into mountain climber. I think this is where the sweat really gets turned on, okay? Let's crank that engine and burn some calories. Here we go, up into a plank. We've got 30 of these. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Come on, Carol. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, push. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ah. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Just sit back. Woo, here comes the sweat. All right, y'all, last round of your toe touches. We're gonna stay seated for this round. Last round, we're just gonna give it a try. See which one we like better, okay? Lay it back. Remember, you wanna be in an X formation, okay? Your arms totally extended without hitting something. Here we go, alternating toe touch. Let's do this, Jeanette. 1, 2, 3, 4. This takes out the momentum. 5, it's nice and controlled. 6, 7, 8, bring those shoulders up. 9, 10, 11, that's it, Thea. 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 more. 5, 4, keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Sit it up. Now I'm still feeling that hamstring. Every time I reach for my right leg. That's okay. I've got a massage coming up this weekend, so I'm gonna get him to work that out. Hopefully it will be restored. All the way back, all the way up. Let's go for 15 this round. Last set, best set. 1, back, and 2. You got it. 3, come on Beverly. 4, use that momentum. 5, the weight actually helps. 6, to make the sit-up easier. 7, can you feel that momentum? 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 5, come on Caitlin. 4, 3 more. 2 more. And 1. Good. I was thinking to myself, does that mean 1 more? Okay, 1 more. And 0 more. Oh, y'all. I don't want to shortchange anybody. Okay, flip it over. The sweat is still coming down. We're at the end of our second circuit, you guys. Y'all are doing great today. It is Core and Cardio Friday. It's also Bring a Friend Friday. And I know a lot of you tried to get friends to come at this hour. So whether you were successful or not, or you just started a conversation, I know Carol and I are working on our friend Alicia, and she had a very good reason. She's on vacation this week. She is not waking up early. So I get that, but just know you can invite them any day. I'm gonna stay on her, Carol. Here we go, mountain climbers. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more, 9, 8, push, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Dang it anyway. Great job, Tasha Sims. All right, stand it up. Oh man, if I had a towel, there we go. There's my towel from spin class. Y'all, sweat's running into my eyes. All right, get a sip of water. Great job, Melita. Towel off. I expect this from like a leg day, but sometimes on an ab day, it's hard to crack in to that burn. Here's what's coming up next, okay? We've got the first 2 circuits complete. We're right at the halfway point, y'all are doing awesome. We've got power jacks, bicycle, plank knee taps. I'll show you that in a minute. I wasn't sure what to call it, but I knew what I wanted to do on that one. Tasha's sweating. Yes. That is a good thing. On an ab day, to be getting this kind of burn is awesome, okay? All right, let's do it. We've got power jacks. You're gonna need your weight with this one. We've just got 12. So what you're gonna do is hold it here and throw it above your head, just like that for 12. Ready, Shanette? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excellent job. If you need a low jack on that, your modification is gonna look like this. 1, 2, just go with 1 foot, okay? Go down into a bicycle, laying flat on your back. It's elbow to knee, alternating for 20. Roll it back. Ready? Start with one side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway, 11, 12, keep pushing, 13, 14, 15, 16, come on Tasha, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Lay it back for just 1 second. Sun-dried tomato. Woo. That's where we lay flat on our backs. All right, let's flip it over. What you've got, you know when you're in a tabletop position? Right here, hands, knees, and then your toes are back here. And then you go from here up into a plank, right? So what you're gonna do is not touch the ground, but bring it in, sit it back, and up into a plank. Sit it back, up into a plank, okay? So you're actually sitting it back just a little bit. Let's go for 10. Your knees are almost touching the ground. Start in a plank. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, get to 10, 5, up, 6, plank, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, and up. Kind of weird. Funny thing is, I was feeling it a lot in my quads. Kind of fun though. Okay, get a quick drink and then we've got power jacks. Over here, sweat is still pouring down. Keep your heart rate up. Keep sweating, you guys. Core and cardio today. Aww. Hey, Michael Owens. Drive safe, babe. All right, he's on his way home. Let's go for a power jack for 12. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. Go down onto your back. Bicycles for 20. Here, bring it all the way back. Elbow to knee. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, push, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ah! All right, lay it back. Good job, y'all. Roll it up. Go back into your plank position. So you're gonna be shifting your weight a little bit, almost like a tabletop, but your knees are not gonna touch all the way down, okay? Let's just practice at this skill. Come out. Here we go, Dee Dee. You're here, and then come back, and then up into plank. Ready? 1, up, 2, up, 3, you got it, 4, plank, 5, up, 6, 7, 8, come on Pamela, 9, and 10, and up. Good. So you could take that same movement and do a lot with it. You could do tabletop. You could go up into a pike. So much versatility there. All right, grab a quick drink. Woo! The sweat is real today. Ah! Catch your breath. One more set of these power jacks. Power jacks really get your heart rate up. Jumping and throwing a weight over your head is not easy. We're gonna go for 15. Here's your starting spot. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. All right, have a seat. Into bicycle. We're moving quickly so we can keep our heart rate up, okay? I hope it's working. Hope it's working. After this, we've got one more set and we're out of here. One more circuit, I meant to say. Ready? Here we go, bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Woo! All right, lay it back. Catch your breath, y'all. We're gonna add to this last plank, okay? We can do this, Christina. Christina with the C and Christina with the K. We can do this. We got this. Ready? Let's go back into plank. Start here, or you can start in tabletop. Go up into a plank. We're gonna go plank. Then we're gonna go back into our knees, and then up into pike, okay? And then back into plank. So plank is the first position. Plank, back into your knees, up into pike. 2, ready? Plank, 2 knees, pike. 3 plank, 3 knees, 3 pike. 4 plank, 4 knees, 4 pike, and plank. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 2 more, 9, 9, 9, I'm sweating, 10, 10, and 10, y'all. Bring it down. Y'all, something just cracked loose. All the sweat came pouring out. Uh-oh. All right. I'm not sure what happened on that plank sequence, y'all. My apologies for all this sweat that is coming out. It's feeling a lot like hot yoga up in here. And I've got the thermostat set to 69, but it is burning up in here. All right, y'all. Great job trying something new with me, okay? I'm proud of you. All right, good morning, Norma. Erica is sweating, you and me both. Whew. All right, let's do this. Here's our last circuit, okay? Here we go, Emily Harper. We're gonna do a jump shot. I know some of you played college basketball. Pamela, I'm talking to you, my superstar. We're gonna do a jump shot for 12, okay? Then we're gonna sit down and do a kayak, and then we're gonna do a pike. Oh, we just did a pike. We'll switch that up, okay? That was fun. All right, for those of you who play basketball, what I want you to do is pretend like you're dribbling, okay? And then you're gonna stop and shoot, okay? Stop and shoot. We've got that. Good one. All right, y'all, here we go. Ready? Jump, shoot. Jump and shoot. Let's go for 12. Ready? Pretend like you got a basketball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, Pamela. 8, 9. Try to block that shot. 10. 2 more. 11 and 12. Jump shots. See, now we're just having fun. We're just being silly on a Friday. All right, have a seat. More fun. We decided to rent boats. We're gonna kayak. So what I want you to do, it's like a V up hold position. This is your paddle, and you're going to go down and down. Here we go. 1, 2, that's it, Dana. 3, 4, 5, good job on the jump shots. 6, 7, 8, keep paddling. 9, 10, halfway. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, the current is strong. 16, 17, lean back. 18, 19, and 20. Oh man, y'all. Man, jump squats in disguise. You caught on to me. You caught on to me. It's absolutely a jump squat. All right, y'all, for our plank round, what we're gonna do instead is pick your favorite plank. Pick your favorite. This is a wild card round. You can do a straight plank, you can do a forearm plank. I'm gonna go elbow, elbow, hand, hand. I'm gonna go 4 and 4. All right, you can join with me or do some kind of plank for the time that we're all moving together. Ready? Let's go up. Starting with hand, hand. 1, 1, up, up. 2, 2, up, up. 3, 3, up, up. 4, 4, up, up. Switch sides. 1, 1, up, up. 2, 2, up, up. 3, 3, up, up. 4, 4, up, up. Woo! Sweat is just pouring down off my chin. All right, another set of jump shots, you guys. As Dana called them, squat jumps, jump squats in disguise. I like doing the little dribble though. This makes me feel like I'm on the basketball court. All right, ready? We got this, y'all. Let's go for 12 jump shots. Paddle. Dribble, dribble, dribble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those were tough. Those were tough. Here we go. Have a seat, Melita. Come on, Tasha Bradley. There's Shalini. She's gonna do the replay. Okay, sounds good. Here we go. Kayaks for 20, y'all. Let's get after it. 1, 2, the current's picking up. 3, 4, we wanna make our way. 5, back to shore. 6, 7, feet up. 8, keep paddling. 9, 10, side to side. 11, 12, that's it, Dee Dee. 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 more. 17, lean back. 18, 19, 20. Man, wishing I had picked those kayaks for earlier in the workout. Those are a killer at this point. All right, pick your favorite plank. I'm gonna do, I think I'd like to do a star plank. I really love those. I'm gonna do 10 star planks where you start out in 2 hands and then you go into 1 hand and reach for the sky, okay? Here we go. If you wanna join me, you can, or you can pick your favorite plank. Here, ready? And 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, and 10. Bring it down. Oh, y'all, you have done awesome today. Great job, Shanette. Core is always hard. Most people say it's their weakest area. So the fact that we're doing cardio with some ab work, something like the jump and shoot, that's in there. One, it's cardio, but it's also core engaging. In order to bring anything up over your head, this has to be tight, right? This can't be loosey-goosey or else you're gonna hurt yourself. So things like power jacks, when we put something over our head, that's a core engager. All right, you guys ready? Standing jump shots. Here's your challenge. Most of us are one-handed, meaning I'm a right-hander. So I'm gonna try to be lefty-lefty this time, okay? Try to go with your opposite arm for the jump shot. Here we go for 12. Dribble, dribble, dribble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Dana. 6, get those jump squats. 7, 8, swoosh. 9, 10, 11, 12. Jeez Louise. All right, we rented these kayaks just for the hour. We've got to get them back to the dock before they charge us a late fee, okay? So have a seat, get in your kayak. I think Pamela knows the way. Let's follow her. Woo-wee! Come on, Bradley. Woo-wee! Dana said it right as she did it. We needed a woo break. Here we go, y'all. We gotta get our kayaks back. This is gonna be a speed round. Come on. Come on, y'all. There's a wind. 1, 2, feet up. 3, 4, keep kayaking. 5, push. 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, Beverly. 10, 11. Pick it up, Joda. 12, 13, 14. Kayak. 15, 16. 4 more. 17, 18, 19, 20. Those dang kayaks are killing me today. Ooh-wee! Everybody together. I just saw that. Erica said she'll pay the late fee. Well, good. You'll have to pay the late fee for all of us then, times 16. We made it back in time, y'all. Whoosh! We made it back. All right, pick your plank. What are we gonna do this time? I enjoyed all the planks today. Let's see, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a plank leg raise. Plank leg raise. I'm just gonna go for 10. Get a little bit of glute engagement. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 5, halfway. 6, 7, 8. I see you, Michael. 9 and 10. And bring it down, you guys. Awesome. Go ahead and stand up. We survived today's workout, you guys. Excellent job. Deep breath up. Exhale. Hang your body weight to the floor. Walk it around to the left. That's one of the sweatier core ab days I can remember in a while. So excellent job, you guys. Walk it around to the right. Great job today. And you will be happy to know Michael Owens made it home safely. He started at work. When he said hello, that was a quick drive, babe. You want to say hi to Friday Abs?
Hi, Friday Abs. I already said that.
Dude, I mean, jump in and actually say hi. They want to see your face. He's got such a cute uniform, too.
Oh.
Hi, babe.
Hey, sweaty.
Hi, I'm so sweaty.
Hi, Friday Abs.
I'm super sweaty. Okay. All right, maybe you can fix me some breakfast.
Maybe you can fix me some coffee.
Cross one leg over. I am super sweaty, y'all. Hopefully you are too. Great job, Pamela. Switch. Have a wonderful Friday, you guys. Remember, the weekend's almost here. You got all weekend to meal prep, get your grocery shopping done. This has been a weird short week, but we are gonna get through the weekend, recharge, rest up. Great job, Juanita. Stretch your quads, you guys. And I will see you back here tomorrow. We've got 2 Saturday classes, booty bar and spin class. Great job, Carol, Barbara. All right, one arm across the front. Great job, Patty. Have a wonderful, wonderful Friday, you guys. Crystal, you were there all along. Sometimes I don't see your names pop up, or else I would have shouted you out more. Crystal Sims, you're always my DJ. All right, excellent job. You guys, sweat is still just pouring off me. I think I'm gonna have to go jump in the shower. Have a wonderful Friday, you guys. Get outside today and get another walk in, okay? Awesome. Tell Caitlin I'm expecting her at 9 o'clock. Bye, happy Friday. Bye, mwah. See you guys.